And our team coverage continues now as the suspected 17-year-old gunman made his first appearance in juvenile court. ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns was there, joins us live with those details. Tim.
Yeah, Alma, this afternoon, the suspect went through what the juvenile equivalent of an arraignment is. He's charged with several different counts, remember, some of those including attempted murder, assault with a semi-automatic firearm, and attempted second-degree robbery. The 17-year-old accused of shooting San Francisco 49ers player Ricky Pearsall appearing in front of a judge for the first time Wednesday afternoon. The suspect, who was joined in court by his parents, will continue to be detained in San Francisco according to judge's orders. His attorney, Deputy Public Defender Bob Dunlap, speaking to the media outside the courthouse following Wednesday's proceedings.
From what little I know, that this is completely out of character for him. I do think there are extraneous circumstances that haven't really formed a part of the narrative yet, but I'm still piecing that together.
Dunlap also confirming the teen has another outstanding matter in San Joaquin County, although he did not elaborate. He says his client is remorseful following Saturday's incident.
He's very sorry, genuinely, that this did happen, as is his family. And I can say on their behalf, as well as on my own behalf, that our thoughts go out to the Pearsall family and Mr. Pearsall himself.
The case has garnered significant attention across the country and once again put a spotlight on San Francisco's public safety. Over the past few days, questions have emerged over whether the city's district attorney, Brooke Jenkins, would seek to move the case from juvenile to adult court. In a 2022 press release, Jenkins said she would only try to move cases that involved certain heinous crimes. While the charges her office has filed against the suspect would seem to meet that criteria, Jenkins said Tuesday her office has not yet made a decision over whether to file that petition.
I don't walk into cases trying to use them as an example, so I want that to be clear. But it is my job to make sure that people understand that the culture in San Francisco is very different than it was 2.5 years ago.
Legal experts say getting the case moved would not be an easy task to accomplish, and the ultimate decision would rest with the judge. A potential move Dunlap thinks is unnecessary despite the high-profile nature of the case.
The only reason you're here talking to me is because Mr. Pearsall's a 49er. I mean, let's be honest about that.
The suspect is expected to next appear in court on September 10th for a pre-trial conference. But for now, I'm live in the newsroom. Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.